Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Let's start today's class. So students, in our online class we have discussed the topic to use prepositional phrases. But some students were not present in the online class. So today we will revise this topic again. Okay? So can you tell me what is a prepositional phrases? So first of all, I will tell you the meaning of phrases. So phrases, what is a phrases? So what is a phrase? So phrase, a group of words that have a particular meaning when used together. जब हम उसको इकट्ठा write करते हैं कुछ words को, they give a meaning, different meaning that we called a phrase. Like in the park, park के अंदर. Okay, that is a phrase also. So can you tell me what is position? Preposition. So preposition, a word or a group of words used before a noun or pronoun to show place, position, time or place, position or time. Okay students? So student, I hope it is clear to you. Preposition, a word or group of words used before a noun or pronoun to show place or position or time. That is called preposition. Okay students? So students, can you tell me what is prepositional phrase? So prepositional phrase is combination of a preposition and its objects that we call prepositional phrase. Okay, so there are some, now look at these cards. There are some yellow cards and there are some green cards. So you have to mix these cards, yellow and green, and make a phrase by using these cards. Like in the park, on Monday, at the heel, like that. So you have to 1 minute to do these work, to do this. I hope you have done. Now let's discuss. These are the prepositional phrases. In the park, at the library, on the shelf, up the stairs, in the box, at the bus stop, on Monday, up the hill. Here, in, at, on and up shows the place here or position. Where are the things? In the box. Where are the bus stop? Where are you? At the bus stop, like that. And here, on Monday time. Kis din? So on Monday. So these are the prepositional phrases. So here are some prepositions: in, at, on and up. Here are 4 prepositions. And by using these prepositions, we make some phrases. Okay. So students, we know preposition is a word that used before a noun or a pronoun to show place, position or time, or method such as on or up. Okay, on and up. So it is either be adjective phrase or adverb phrase. Okay, adjective phrase हो सकता है और adverb भी phrase हो सकता है. Okay, so now let's move. These are the some sentences we made with the by using prepositional phrases. I like to play in the park every morning. Here phrases in the park. Next one, Anya, please don't run up the stairs. Here the phrase is prepositional phrases that up the stairs. Next one, I have to go a birthday party on Monday. Here on Monday is the phrase. Next one, you will find Adit at the library. So here at the library is a prepositional phrase. By using preposition, we use phrases by using before the noun or pronoun, we use preposition, that is called a prepositional phrase. Okay, so preposition come before the noun or pronoun. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. Next, move on the worksheet. There is a worksheet using prepositional phrases. So fill in the blanks in the paragraph using the correct preposition. My family and I visited the zoo last Sunday, and I saw the animals doing the funniest things. The hippo were fast asleep in the pond. Where? In the pond. So you have to write down in here. So आपको in write करना है यहाँ पे in first blank में. Next one, the and little birds sat. कहाँ पे बैठेंगे birds? On the backs of sleeping hippos. The monkeys हिप्पो की बैक पे बैठे हुए हैं कुछ बर्ड्स. ओके. The monkeys swang. Where swang? From the branches and annoying the rest elephants. जो रेस्ट कर रहे हैं एलिफेंट्स उनको परेशान कर रहे हैं monkeys. So यहाँ पे from आ जाएगा थर्ड में. Next one, because it was sitting dash a faraway tree behind. Okay, behind. I hope it is clear to you, students. Next one, there is question 2. Use the correct prepositional phrases from the box to complete the sentences. Here is a box and you have to some phrases here. To the pet shop in the park for her birthday on Saturday. So A part, Nina's birthday was on Saturday. Next one, her parents gave her a puppy for her birthday. Next one, Nina went with her parents in the park. To a pet shop. 3. Nina's friends saw her with the puppy in the park. 4th. I hope it is clear to you, students. Next one, there is question 3. Write a short paragraph of 4 sentences on the topic. So you have to use these personal phrases and write down 4 sentences on one topic, and you have to write down paragraphs like that. My family and I visited in the library on Friday. Okay. There are books in the library. After some time, I write down the names of some books in our notebooks. Like that, you have to make a paragraph. Okay, students. I hope it is clear to you. Next one, there is practice questions. Now let's discuss the practice question. There is question 1. Fill in the blanks using the prepositions from the boxes. So you have to, these are the preposition only, not prepositional phrase. Okay. A part, Nina is sitting dash the puppies between. दो के बीच में बैठी है. B part, Champ hid the bone dash the carpet. कहाँ पे hid कर दिया? Under the carpet. Next one, she feeds the cat at 5 p.m. Time को represent कर रहा है at. Next one, Champ turned 2 years old dash 2017 in. I hope question 1 is clear. There is question 2. Fill in the blanks using the prepositional phrases. Here you use prepositional phrases that is given in the help box. Nina took all the little puppies home on Saturday. Next one, she was looked forward to take care of them, so she used the internet to look up different articles on how to take care of puppies. कैसे take care करते हैं. So one day the smallest puppy ran. कहाँ पे भाग गया? Up to the stairs. Okay. He then climbed on a high shelf. और high shelf पे चढ़ गया. In Nina's room, जो कि रीना के रूम में थी. Oh dear, Nina loves her puppies, but they are such a handful. I hope question 2 is clear. There is question 3. Use the prepositional phrases to make sentences of your own. Here are 4 prepositional sentences. Prepositional phrases, and you have to make by using. So in the park, I visited in the park, And did you see the children in the park? Did you see the cat in the park? Did you see dog in the park? Like that. Next, B part, on the road. We must follow traffic rules to save on the road, to stay safe on the road. Okay. Next one, through the door. A little puppy came through the door. Inside the house, we found a squirrel inside the house. We found a mouse in the house, inside the house. We found a dog inside the house. So you have to make sentences like that. So students, after watching this video, you have to complete your this worksheet and these practice questions. Okay students, thank you, have a nice day. After watching this video, you have to complete your work. Bye bye students, have a nice day.